Morning, everybody. How's everybody doing out there? Dante Bona, OnlyWoodFloors. We're here in Inglewood, California, and we're gonna sand and refinish these original white oak hardwood floors. So we got the 1.5 by 1/2 inch here, and let me turn this thing around, take you guys inside, show you guys what we got going on. Look, you can see there's a lot of wear and tear. Yeah, that spot right there, that's just the finish came undone, so that's just all wood, dirt. The Hubble will clean that up real nice since it's all said and done. We're doing demolition on a couch right here. Got to get it out of here. The feet stuff marks all over the floor. Basically, let me show you guys these gaps. So we're going to replace a lot of boards here. Take those out. Too big still with cutting. You don't want much of a difference, but right there, go ahead and cut that out. Those gaps, going to get rid of them. Sand everything nice flat, make it look brand new. A couple right here, this area, we're going to replace a couple boards there as well. Like this room, we got the man already cutting stuff out, getting ready. So we're going to sand these treads, hand sand the risers, but get all this looking brand new. Then we got all these stairs, and then upstairs right here. As you can see, the wood here is different than what it is downstairs. I don't know if they did some kind of switch or not, but we're going to sand this. We're going to bring this all back to life. Yeah, that's what we're looking at. We'll be here today, tomorrow, and Friday. But that's what we do. So everyone have a good day. Get everything going for you guys. We'll do another video update in a couple of hours. So it'll probably be Brian, because I got a couple of estimates to go do. Brian will be here for most of the day. So we'll go from there. Let me turn this thing around. So that's what we're looking at so far today. And doing another video update in a little bit. So everybody have a good one. Take care.